Um, Finally, my Lazada package just arrived. So I've been waiting for this toy for quite some time. Fujima brand plasma cutter, 40 amps. So this is being documented to check whether all the parts are okay, no broken parts, no missing accessories or something. So I need this to be documented. So I'm gonna open this one with my utility knife. Hope that everything is alright, especially the glass for the regulator. Here, opening the bubble packs. Let's see if it is intact. So hindi naman siguro mapapalitan ng sabon to. Again, Fujima. Baka welder machine, mahirap na. I ordered for a plasma cutter, not some welder machine. Mukhang nabuksan na to, siguro na-check na before. Okay. Prior to delivery. Okay. What we have here. Bag. Most likely for the accessories. No? So I have here a black bag. Let's put it on the bench. Scrutinize it later on. Then we have the pneumatic FRL combination or filter regulator and lubricator. At the same time, water trap also. Manually unloaded. So this is what I want to check first. The dryer should be intact, no broken glasses or something. Kasun brand, never heard. Made in Taiwan maybe. Kasun. So it's alright. Let's put it here. The next we have here the holder. What's this? So likely are these parts. Check. The gauge, pressure gauge. Right. So it should. The machine should be running at 4.5 psi. This is the bracket holder at the back of the inverter. So I'm about to pull this toy. Whoa, it's huge. So, well, neatly packed, sealed. No, not necessarily, cover lang. So let me see. Fujima. So the length is actually, and my estimate is around, this is around 15 to 16 inches. The height is around 11 inches. Check kung ano yung harapan niya. LED display, 40 amps. Okay, this is where you plug the gun, the gas or the air. It's nice. Specs. The back. This around 8 inches ang width. So ang saksakan niya sa normal plug, royal cord, most likely number 18. Sabihin hindi malakas kung suwo to. Lipas na ang wire. So let's see the gun. Okay ba siya? So this is the gun. Ito ang curious ako eh. I want to make some jigs for the cutting. So I want to see anong type ng kanyang ceramic head. Very nice. Habang tip. Hindi ko muna siya kakalasin ngayon kasi gabi na. I need to take a rest. Pasok pa bukas. It's alright. So we have here the fittings. Well, I think all the parts are okay. Walang nawawala, walang basag. Nice. So scrutinize ko to later on, guys. So for now, I need to sleep. What else is here? Oh, may extra consumable. So the ground clamp. Pero magulo. Nakakalat ang kanyang ceramic. Pero may spare. One electrode. Contact tip. For the gas. Or for the air supply. Ceramic na naman. Then ang ground clamp niya. Murang klase to. But it's nice ha. Dalawang spare niya. At saka spacer. Importante to. Pero kulang. It should be in pair. Ayun. Kita ko siya. Well, let's put this on the table. Inventory of what we have. And by the way, just arrived also. Center punch. So, ito yung dating ginagamit ko sa Sanritsu. So you press this one. Para siyang double barrel. Puputok. Hindi, puputok. But may action siya na hammering sa loob. Dalawang loaded spring. Well, wala na akong time para kalikutin to ngayon. Need to rest. 2 ceramic for the air. And likely for the other end. 2 electrodes. You can use this one baliktaran pag na-deteriorate na ito kabilang side. So, most likely pag bibili na kailangan kong bumili ng spare. Baguhan pa. Tagal nang walang hawak sa ganitong machine, so most likely with more practice. Kung manipis lang ng mga 2 to 3 mm panisto, pero pag makapal, marami siyang tinatawag nating yung hindi maganda na cut, dross tawag nila. Spacer, ceramic insulation. Well, kompleto naman. So the parts are intact. Need to secure the regulator. So scrutinize muna natin for any cracks and sunok. Kung may problema, solid na agad kay Lazada or itawag sa customer care. So far, separator filter. Kailangan ko ngayon, kung medyo may budget, is air dryer para walang problema ang mga pneumatic tools. Sisirain niya yung gasket sa loob. Kaso ito, FRL na turingan, pero wala siyang oil. Saan ko ipapasok ang oil? Manual spray. Gauge lang ang meron. So, mahaba naman yung barrel. Nice. Excited to use it na. But I need to sleep. Well, gauge, makabasag. Baka mamaya iba ang unit nito. So far, so good. So I think intact. Well, wait para pag natakbo ko to. That's all for now.